So as you guys know, short and quick vertical videos have taken the internet by storm for a long time with Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Facebook Stories, and TikToks, obviously recently, but we're gonna talk about YouTube Shorts, right? YouTube Shorts is another way that Google is looking to compete, right? And YouTube specifically with these other platforms. So today we're actually gonna be talking about, can I run YouTube Short ads? Right? So ads on these YouTube Shorts specifically. Just so you know, YouTube Shorts was just released on March 2021 in the US. It wasn't a long time ago, right? But now it's actually surpassed over 6.5 billion daily views globally, right? So it's definitely an upcoming placement or inventory placement for content creators and of course for us advertisers, media buyers. Can you run YouTube Short ads? The short answer is yes, but there are certain, let's say, gray areas right now in terms of, you know, is my ad really showing up on YouTube Shorts? Like, where can I see that, right? So there's really no exact, let's say, reporting table or column that you can choose and say your performance on the YouTube Short ads placement, okay? But I'm gonna show you a quick technique that you can use right now to create these YouTube Shorts or to ensure that you're at least taking up that inventory, right? So we recently had a conversation with one of our Google reps about YouTube Short ads because it's been the talk of the town for quite some time. And they're stated that they're gradually rolling out these betas, right? So the beta is actually not like a beta feature or inside the account for advertisers specifically, but the beta is inside the Google account itself, you know, for the inventory. So this isn't something that, you know, you need to get whitelisted for. It's just basically, they're saying that it will be rolled out. Globally, it's already been rolled out, but now in the US for advertisers, only about like 25% are really taking up this inventory, right? Today, we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of how you can ensure that you're taking up this inventory, right, when the time comes, and that basically this ad is just going to be shown on the YouTube Shorts placements, even though, again, there's still not specific metric that you can look at, but it will ensure that this vertical video is only being shown for the mobile users essentially, right? Okay, so we're gonna dive into my screen here, and obviously just some information is blurred out for privacy reasons, but this is, for example, a video that was uploaded into the YouTube Shorts inventory, okay? And you can do this, right? So when you upload your video, you will have the option to select, as long as the video is a vertical size video, right? So such as this one, okay? So notice that because of the, let's say, dimensions of this video, this is a vertical video, and look at the video link, right? So this is very important, and the video link says YouTube Shorts. So this is how you know that it is within that inventory. So that's kind of the first thing, okay? So something to mention very quickly before we continue with the video is that here at Links Digital, we are video advertising experts. And if you have an offer that you feel that you can scale with YouTube ads, or you'd like us to review and audit to see if we can scale it, then feel free to click the link below. We have been responsible for helping multiple entrepreneurs and businesses scale their businesses past 6, 7, sometimes even 8 figures with YouTube ads. Now, if you're also a do-it-yourself type of entrepreneur and would like to learn about YouTube ads more in depth and actually have experts side by side with weekly student calls, you also have access to obviously our modules, so you can look at all the videos and training material that we have with templates and different training docs. Then we also have the opportunity for you to join our YouTube ads training program. You can click the link below for either or. If you're looking for agency services, for us to review your account and see if we're a good fit with each other so we can get to know your business, or also to get to know you if you're looking to become one of our students and join our private Facebook YouTube ads group, student group, as well as get access to all the training material. So the links are in the description. Click the link below and we'll see you on the inside. Now let's get back to the video. Obviously, right now, this is the video we're gonna be using just to create this campaign. So I'm gonna show you in the Google Ads account how we can create a campaign specifically for the YouTube Shorts inventory, even though, like I said, there was really not a way to find out like a report or in a column or in the segments of the Google account, the performance of that. But we can at least ensure that this is showing up only for the mobile device and as well as the in-stream, right? So let's take a look. So right here, we're gonna create a campaign without a goals guidance. This is gonna be a video campaign. So typically we do either drive conversions, right? But for this particular one, we're gonna just do custom video campaign because we understand that with drive conversions, so here we're gonna do custom video campaign, okay? We're just gonna, this is just gonna be a random video that we have here. And then, campaign total, we like to go by daily, very quick here. So you can see, look, so networks, so make sure that you do select your networks and you untick this, okay? We want to continue down here, that's fine. Standard inventory, just make sure it's standard. You could go expanded, but this would be, and this is not in terms of like the placement, this is really where, the content related inventory, okay? Show ads here, we normally want to exclude these, okay? You can add extra videos in here, but in this case, we're not gonna do that. And then the targeting, so remember that with this particular setting of custom video, you can do keyword targeting, right? So I know this is for another video. Recently, we had the contextual targeting update from Google. You can do it here, right? You can definitely select placements. You can add placements and keyword targeting. It's only with the drive conversions subtype that you're not able to do that. All right, so let's go take our video that we had. We have the link, go back, there we go. So we had a thumbnail in there, it's probably not necessary, but here we want to select skippable, okay? And then we just go on with this particular campaign, okay? So we're gonna add the call to action here, learn more, title of the video. We like to be very organized with this. Okay, the bid, we want to do 25. Boom, campaign has been created, okay? So, but we're missing one particular aspect of this. So we want to go to settings, okay? And make sure that you're only targeting only mobile devices, right? So that is how you're ensuring that your video can show up on the YouTube Shorts inventory. If you fall into the 25% of those advertisers that do have access to this inventory, this is how you would do it, okay? But coming 2023, there's gonna be more updates regarding YouTube Shorts. It just hasn't been fully announced yet on the reporting aspect of YouTube Shorts. So, kind of like the discovery versus in-feed. I mean, you can go inside in the video section and you can break down, eventually you'll have some data here, even like in analytics, for audience retention, it'll tell you, okay, like once you have obviously data here, will tell you, different data points regarding your in-stream versus in-feed, but that's as far as you can go. Like there's really no other way. But at least with this particular case, obviously you want to name appropriately. You can put in YouTube Shorts, and we do have our strict name convention. You could add in there YouTube Shorts. But again, come 2023, this is where we're going to really see more updates regarding YouTube Short ads. So you want to stay informed. Make sure you turn on your notifications to get notified when we drop some more video marketing knowledge your way. Obviously, to get updates from Google itself, you can stay informed with our channel as well. Thank you for watching the video. That is basically it, how to create the YouTube Shorts. But definitely stay updated with Google's updates, and we'll see you on the next video.